Hello and welcome. Our task for today is to find the value of log to base 2 of x over y squared, given that log to base 2 of x is equal to log to base y of 16 and x times y is equal to 64. Now we will start by deconstructing this statement. Recall the law of logarithm that says that log to base 2 of x over y is equal to log to base 2 of x minus log to base 2 of y. So that means we can replace this statement with the statement log to base 2 of x minus log to base 2 of y squared. Now, for simplicity of understanding, let us make log to base 2 of x, let us call it a, and log to base 2 of y, let us call it b. So this now becomes a minus b squared. If we expand this, what we are going to get is a squared minus 2 times a times b plus b squared. That is a squared plus b squared minus 2ab. But let us look at the expansion for a plus b squared. And this is a squared plus 2 times a times b plus b squared. That is a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. If we take 2ab over to the left hand side of the equation, what we will have is a plus b squared minus 2ab is equal to a squared plus b squared. Now let us replace a plus b squared with this statement. That is a plus b all squared minus 2ab in the first expansion. So what we have here is a plus b squared minus 2ab, and then we bring down the 2ab that we already have, that is minus 2ab. So ultimately we have that a minus b squared is equal to a plus b squared minus 2ab minus 2ab, that is minus 4ab. So we have a plus b and we have a times b. Now going back to the original statement, what we have is remember that a is equal to log this. So we have log to base 2 of x plus log to base 2 of y squared minus 4 times log to base 2 of x multiplied by log to base 2 of y. But then let us also recall the law of logarithm that says that log to base 2 of x plus log to base 2 of y is simply equal to log to base 2 of x multiplied by y. So we can replace this with that. And this is what we have. Log to base 2 of x multiplied by y squared minus 4 times log to base 2 of x multiplied by log to base 2 of y. Now we go over to the conditions that we were given. We can see that xy is equal to 64. And then let us look at the first condition we were given. If we change this log to base y to log to base 2, what we are going to have is that log to base 2 of x, that is this, is equal to log to base 2 of 16 divided by log to base 2 of y. That is change of base from base y to base 2. Multiplying both sides of this equation by the denominator, we have that log to base 2 of x multiplied by log to base 2 of y is equal to log to base 2 of 16. So we can replace this quantity here by log to base 2 of 16. So ultimately this becomes log to base 2 of 64 squared minus 4 times log to base 2 of 16. This is equal to that, this is equal to that, and this is equal to that. Now note that these are quantities that we can evaluate. Let us start with this one. So let log to base 2 of 64 be equal to a. That simply means that 2 raised to power a is equal to 64. Note the anti-clockwise movement. 2 raised to power a is equal to 64. That is 2 raised to power a is equal to 64. But 64 is equal to 2 raised to power 6. So you have 2 here and you have 2 here. So automatically a is equal to 6. So this is equal to 6. Likewise, let log be equal to b. Once more, that simply means that 2 raised to power b is equal to 16. That is 2 raised to power b is equal to 16. 16 is 2 raised to power 4. You have 2 here, you have 2 here. So that means that b is equal to 4. So this quantity is equal to 4. So ultimately, we have that this is equal to 6 squared minus 4 times 4. And this is 36 minus 16, and that is equal to 20. So this is equal to 20. And with that, we come to the end of the exercise. I hope you learned something. I hope you were entertained. See you in the next one.